there are two ways to search for a member. You can enter it by name or by CFT number. So if we were looking for Sarah Campbell, we can search for first name, surname, or both. So here's Sarah Campbell. So just to have a quick look at what each of these symbols mean. This is the CFT number for Sarah, her name, the club that she's in, her status. Now the status is very important. Current means that this person is currently insured to dive or snorkel. Pending means that Sarah has paid for, however, as she has not completed 1, 2 or 3 elements of her fit to dive process, she is not insured to dive. Lapsed and past means that Sarah is no longer a member of the Irish Underwater Council. So this brings us on to the fit to dive process. We will be going through this in more detail later on in the tutorial. However, the first box represents water fitness test. The second box represents an online medical disclaimer. And the third box represents the GP medical. All 3 boxes must be ticked in order for this person to be insured to dive. The water fitness test is up to the diving officer to complete within the club and to sign off each person that they are water fit. The online medical disclaimer is up to Sarah to complete herself through her own online membership account. And the third box is the GP medical, of which Sarah is responsible for showing you the date of her last medical, and you are responsible for putting this up online. The system will then keep track of these and will email Sarah when her GP medical is due next time. The membership type. Then you can edit Sarah's profile if you need to. So if you need to change her date of birth if it was incorrect, if you need to change her email, she should really be responsible for changing these details herself. However, the option is there for you to do so as well. If Sarah is taking a position in the club, you can simply click on which position she's taking on. The only option not there is diving officer, and that's because the head office must be informed if there's a change of diving officer. If Sarah's lost her password and she's asked you to reset it, you can simply click on here and press save. However, Sarah can do this automatically from the system, or she can contact head office.